Today we're going to take another step on solving equations. We're going to solve equations that have like terms in them. Now, to solve these, we want to have we want to get all the x's on one side, all the numbers on the other side. So the first thing I want you to do is to highlight the like terms. We're going to highlight the 2x, and we're going to highlight the plus 5x. Now, in a different color, let's highlight the plus 4 and the minus 8. Now, when you start working on this, you take your calculator and you do what it tells you to do here. So, in other words, it says to take 2x's and plus 5x's. So, 2 plus 5 is 7. We have 7x's. This says to take 4, and it tells us to minus 8. So take 4 minus 8, and we get a negative 4. Just one sign here. That is a negative 4. We will read it as 7x minus 4, but when we did this, we got a negative 4. These two are interchangeable here. Equals 24. Now, we cover up our 7x, and we're going to add 4. So we add 4 to both sides because this was minus 4. Now, these two cancel out. We get 7x equals 24 plus 4, which is 28. This is 7 times x, so the inverse of that would be to divide by 7. We divide both sides by 7. We get x equals 4. You might want to stop the video here and go back over that and see if you understand. Now, when you're finished, you need to check your problem. What you're going to do is you're going to go back up here and you're going to put a 4 in place of these x's. So we're going to take 2 times 4 plus 4 plus 5 times 4 minus 8. Put it into your calculator. 2 times 4 plus 5 times 4 minus 8. And when you hit that equal key, if you don't get 24, you have a mistake, and we need to find your mistake. On number 2, again, we have like terms. Our terms that are alike are the 8d and the plus 3d. Be sure you do the sign with this term. And our other terms, in a different color, we're going to highlight the minus 11 and the plus 2. When you put this into your calculator, you're going to take 8d plus 3d's. So you're going to take 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is 11d's. 8 donuts plus 3 donuts is 11 donuts. Now take a minus 11. Now this is minus 11, but when you put it in your calculator, you're going to need to use a negative sign because the calculator will not like that. So put negative 11 plus 2. When you take a negative 11 plus 2, you get a negative 9 equals 1. When we cover up our 11d, we have a minus 9. To do the inverse of subtracting 9, we need to add 9, so we add 9 to both sides. Now we have 11d equals 1 plus 9 is 10. Because we're multiplying here, we're going to divide both sides by 11. We get d equals 10 elevenths. That's okay. Fractions exist. Now, to check, we're going to take 8 times our d. So we take 8 times 10 elevenths minus 11 plus 3 times our d, which is 10 elevenths, plus 2. Put that into your calculator as 8 times ABC, 10 ABC 11 minus 11 plus 3 times 10 ABC 11 plus 2. When you get that into your calculator correctly, it will give you a 1. And it will check. On number 3, again, we're going to add or highlight our like terms. In this time, we only have 2 y's over here. The 4 is the only a number constant that we have. So we're going to highlight the 2y's plus the 5y's. If we take 2 yo-yos plus 5 yo-yos, we put 2 plus 5 into our calculator, we get 7 y's, or 7 yo-yos. Plus 4 equals 25. Just bring the plus 4 down. Cover up our 7y. The inverse of adding 4 is to minus 4, so we're going to minus 4 on both sides. These two get rid of each other, so we get 7y equals 25 minus 4, which is 21. Now this is 7 times y, so we divide by 7, and we get y equals 3. Now let's take our check. We're going to take 2 times 3, plus 5 times 3, plus 4. When we do that in our calculator, we will get 25, and this problem checks. On number 4, we have two terms that are alike, 10e minus 2e's. So let's highlight those two. Now, we're going to put this into our calculator. We're going to put 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 gives us 8 e's. 10 eggs minus 2 eggs is 8 eggs. Okay? We're going to drop the minus 9 down, equals 39. We cover up our 8e. We have a minus 9. To get rid of minus 9, we have to plus 9. And we get 8e equals 48. 39 plus 9 is 48. To get rid of the 8, we're timesing by 8, so we have to divide by 8. The inverse is that. And so we get e equals 6. Again, put the 6 back into your equation at the top in the space. We're going to take 10 times 6 minus 2 times 6 minus 9. When you put that into your calculator, you should get 39. On the next one, notice that these C's are not together like they have been in the past, but we still highlight them. The 3C and the plus 12C's. Now, if we take 3 C's plus 12 C's, 3 cats plus 12 cats, we get 15 cats, or 15C. Bring down your minus 7, because it didn't have anything like it, equals 53. Cover up your 15C. The inverse of minusing 7 is to add 7, so we add 7 to both sides. We bring down our 15C equals 53 plus 7 is 60. Now to get rid of 15 times C, we have to divide by 15 on both sides. And C equals 4. Let's check. Our check is 3 times 4 minus 7 plus 12 times 4. When you put that into your calculator, 3 times 4 minus 7 plus 12 times 4, we get 53. On the next one, again, we have 8x's minus 3x's plus 2 equals negative 33. Highlight your 8x's minus your 3x's. 8 minus 3 is 5x's. Bring down your plus 2 equals negative 33. Now, cover up your 5x. To get rid of plus 2, we minus 2. We minus 2 on both sides. We get 5x equals negative 35. We divide both sides by 5, and we get x equals a negative 7. Now to check this, you will take 8 times negative 7 minus 3 times negative 7 plus 2, and you will get a negative 33, and it checks. Have a great evening. Your assignment is on the website, web page from school. Thanks. Good night.